Welcome back, everyone. Florida hospital officials are concerned about the huge cuts they'll face if the proposed Senate budget gets passed. Channel 9's Lori Brown is live in downtown Orlando this afternoon. And Lori, what kind of impact could these proposed cuts have on services?
Jamie, Central Floridians with heart failure get released from the ER. If they don't have health insurance, there is only one place that they can go. It is here in Orlando at this heart failure clinic. But Florida Hospital says this heart failure clinic is just one example of a service that they may have to cut if the Florida legislature goes through with the huge cuts proposed by the Senate. The budget proposes $600 million be cut out of Medicaid. The move comes after hospitals have already absorbed $1 billion in Medicaid cuts over the past 5 years.
There is just no way that the healthcare hospitals can deal with this. It's too much, and it's too much on top of everything else that's taken place over the last 5 years.
I was told I couldn't work, and I couldn't work because of my chronic heart failure.
Paul McMullen had to quit his job and lose his health insurance because of his heart failure. Hear his story and what the proposed budget would mean to people like him tonight on Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 6. I tried to reach Florida Senator Joe Negron. He is chair of the committee that proposed the cuts. His office did not respond to my questions. Reporting live in Orlando, Lori Brown at Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Developing at the Florida State Capitol, the Florida Senate wants to cut $600 million in Medicaid reimbursements from its budget. And as Channel 9's Lori Brown found out, it could mean serious cuts for local hospitals.
Paul McMullen is a former business consultant. He says chronic heart failure forced him to stop working. Unable to work and unable to get health insurance, he had nowhere to go to get treatment after he left the ER.
There are no safety nets out there.
McMullen later found the one place where he wouldn't be turned away, Florida Hospital's heart failure clinic.
It's a godsend.
If he hadn't been able to come to us, the likelihood of him surviving what he is going through is probably not very good.
Florida Hospital opened the heart failure clinic 6 years ago to help uninsured patients like McMullen. But over the past 5 years, hospitals have absorbed $1 billion in Medicaid reductions. Now the Florida Senate is asking them to lose $600 million more in a year.
There is just no way that the healthcare hospitals can deal with this. It's too much.
Rich Morrison with Adventist Health says the reductions could force Florida Hospital to reduce or eliminate services like the heart failure clinic, while its demand is on the rise.
There's more and more people that are coming to us with those stories of, I've had insurance my whole life, I've had a job, all of a sudden I've lost my job, I've lost my insurance.
Lori Brown, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
We tried contacting Florida Senator Joe Negron's office several times last week. He is the chair of the committee that proposed the cuts. His office would not comment.